Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a delicious, healthy, and refreshing detox drinks. It's going to be blueberry, lemon, cucumber, apple. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment, and remember to thumbs up the video. Stay tuned, let's get into the video. This blueberry, lemon, apple, cucumber juice is very healthy. Also, it's an excellent detox for your body. Very healthy, full of antioxidants. It's a natural detox drink also, packed with vitamin. And this is a great homemade juice and fresh for cleansing your system. Also, it's a refreshing summer juice. So one of the main reasons I'm dicing them this small, what this do is help the blending process and make it much easier. Remember to try this refreshing nutrient-packed blueberry, lemon, and apple cucumber juice. This is perfect for hydration and also excellent detox and boost your immunity. Easy homemade juice. So what I'm doing here is try to keep it as natural as possible. And what I'm doing here, I'm squeezing some fresh lemon juice in this. And when I'm making this, I'm not putting in no honey, no sugar, no sweetener, just keeping it as natural as possible. And sometimes, you have to cleanse your body. Let me know in the comment section, how do you like your detox juice or your refreshing homemade juice? And remember to try this at home and let me know in the comment section how you get along. And remember to like, share, and do subscribe to this video. Normally, another option is I like to pass this through because I don't like mine with bits in it. So I normally just strain it off, and that's just personal preference. This natural detox juice is so healthy and delicious also, and good to cleanse your body and full of energy. So once you strain it off, just get yourself a glass and pour some out. As you can see, look how lovely that is. Look at the thickness, the consistency of it, without no additive in it. Wow, this is absolutely delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.